With the new Garmin navigators, you can see sleek mount attached from the back. To start your search with one single click. The detailed maps truly smoothen your navigation experience. Photoreal Junction View offers realistic images of junctions and interchanges. Point of interest icons guide you to the nearest place with ease. It also keeps history of searches made by you. The new Garmin navigators even come with 10 free travel guides. That can guide you through your destinations. Restaurants powered with Zomato.com. In 4 cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Bangalore. Lastly, you can enjoy free lifetime map updates on every Garmin navigator. The new era of navigation starts here.